bubbles, crack, cash, plash. Bubble, bubble, pop, pop, pop. Kitty says don't let it stop. Baby shark goes splash, splash, splash. Then the bubbles josh, crash, crash. Stop, pop, 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 up so high. Catch the bubbles in the sky. Ricky blows a bubble small, then a giant bubble ball. Baby shark comes in with cheer. Oh no! Bubble party starting here. Bubble, bubble, pop, pop, pop. Funny bubbles never stop. Big blue bubbles fill the room. Floating high, zoom, zoom, zoom. Kitty tries to catch them fast. Bubbles fly right past. Pop, 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 jump and play. Catch the bubbles every way. Baby shark goes splash, splash, splash. Bubble tower starts to crash. Pop goes one right on Kitty's nose, then another on her toes. Oh no, no, bubbles pop. Silly bubbles never stop. Pop, 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 jump and play. Bubbles bouncing off the wall. Tiny bubbles, giant called. Kitty spins and slips around. Hey, pop, pop, pop goes every sound. Hey, bubble, bubble in the air. Popping bubbles everywhere. Plastic bubble floats so slow. Kitty whispers, there it goes. Baby shark jumps super high. Pop it burst up in the sky. Yay, yay, yay! What a day! Bubble fun and splashy play. Pop, 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 jump and play.
Join our bubble park. It's so much fun.
5 cute skeletons riding on the bus, laughing and dancing, making lots of fuss. Kitty is driving through the town today, but silly skeletons won't behave. Ride in the bus, beep, beep, beep. Funny skeletons jump to the beat. Funny skeletons jump to the beat. 5 cute skeletons riding on the bus, wiggling bones and making lots of fuss. One stood up and bumped his head. Kitty called the owl and the owl then said, no more dancing on the bus. Ride it in the bus, beep, beep, beep. Funny skeletons jump to the beat. 4 cute skeletons riding on the bus, singing loud and causing fuss. One slipped down and broke the horn. Kitty called the ghost and the ghost then warned, stop the jumping on the bus. Ride it in the bus, beep, beep, beep. Funny skeletons jump to the beat. 2 cute skeletons riding on the bus, shaking bones and making fuss. One fell down and broke the seat. Kitty called the mommy down the street. No more dancing on the bus. Ride it in the bus, beep, beep, beep. Funny skeletons jump to the beat. 2 cute skeletons riding on the bus, dancing fast and making fuss. One spun round and broke the wheel. Kitty laughed, let's fix it tonight. Slow down, spooky bus today. Funny skeletons jump to the beat. 1 cute skeleton's riding on the bus. Now they're careful, no more fuss. Kitty drives and sings all night. Spooky bus ride feels alright. Ride in the bus, beep, beep, beep. Funny skeletons talk, come back. All cute skeletons riding on the bus. Now they're careful, no more fuss. Kitty drives and sings all night. Spooky bus ride feels alright. Riding the bus, beep, beep, beep. Funny skeletons stomp their feet. Kitty drives and laughs with glee. Spooky bus fun for you and me. 5 spooky riders were riding on a bus. Skeleton mummy making lots of fuss. One stood up and bumped his head. Say, Kitty called the owl and the owl then then said, "Ant, no more spooky riding on the bus."
Riding on a bus.
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 Four spooky riders were riding on a bus. Zombie skeleton causing crazy fuss. One slipped out and broke the wheel. The kitty called the Dino, and Dino then said, "Ant, stop the spooky ride on the bus."
Riding on a bus.
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 Three spooky riders were riding on a bus. Mummy witch making lots of fuss. Witch did magic, oops, too fast. A window flew off and didn't last. Kitty called the ghost, and ghost then said, "No more magic on the bus."
Riding on a bus.
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 Two spooky riders were riding on a bus. Dracula, zombie, scary little fuss. Dracula laughed and scared the lights. Kitty called the bear, and bear then said, "Babe, stop the spooky ride tonight."
Riding on a bus.
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 One spooky rider was riding on a bus. Skeleton crying, feeling big fuss. He jumped too hard and broke the seat. Kitty called the witch, and witch then said, "Ant, fix the bus, fix it fast."
Riding on a bus.
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 They fixed the bus. Riding on a bus. All spooky riders back again. Kitty smiles and says, "Today, let's all ride in a happy way." Lee-ha!
Riding on a bus.
Riding on a bus.
Riding on a bus.
Riding on a bus.
I'll add some magic. Okay.
Yum, 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 candy rains. Baby shark eats once again. Pop, pop, pop goes jelly booms. Candy flying round the room. Oops, oops, tummy shake. Too much candy, tummy ache. Baby shark finds candy store. Chocolate falling on the floor. Lollipops and gummy bears. Candy flying everywhere. Baby shark says, "More, more, more." Ben needs a giant candy where, as yum, 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 chew, chew, chew. Too much candy, what to do? Baby shark jumps super high. Candy shooting to the sky. Spin, spin, spin around the chair. Sticky jelly in his hair. He slips and slides across the floor. Then wants candy even more. Kitty hears a boom, boom, boom. Candy bouncing round the room. Baby shark goes, "Oh no me, my tummy feels all wiggly." Kitty says, "Now listen here. Too much candy's not good, dear. No, 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 candy stop. Time for healthy munch, munch, chop." Kitty brings banana shake. One apple slices on a plate. One crunch, crunch, crunch goes carrot bite. Baby shark feels all right. Water splash and soup so warm. Healthy food becomes the charm. Crunch, 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 healthy fun. Strong and happy everyone. Baby shark now dances slow. Healthy power starts to grow. Candy sometimes is okay, but not all night and all day. Kitty laughs and claps with glee. Healthy habits lead they. Yum, 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 candy treat. But healthy food is good to eat. Kitty helps and saves the day. Happy shark can laugh and play.
Healthy habits like
Bubble, bubble, don't pop, pop. Something scary makes you stop. Kitty says, "Stay close to me." Baby shark, what can it be? Bubble, bubble, and go slow, slow, slow. All history's about to show. Beat and baby shark are playing. Bubbles flying, kids are spraying. Pop, 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 goes every side. Laughing loud with happy pride. Be bubble deck, yay, yay, yay. Play with bubbles all the day. Suddenly silence in the air. Bubbles stop, nothing's there. Sky turns dark, very slow. Cold wind starts to blow. Baby shark whispers, I don't like this. Kitty say something is wrong. Subble bubble, where you go? Something strange is starting to grow. From bubbles something nice is fly. Big round face, ears high. No hands, no feet, just cawing face. Spinning slowly in the place. Monster says, give me light. Baby shark hides in fright. Oh no, no, what is that? Kidding silly, bubble salute. Baby shark, wait, that's it. Kitty laughs, it's just a little break. Bubble monster, go away, go. Hey, bubbly, I'll never do. She raises one up to the sky. Bubble magic, let's try. Sparkles everywhere, okay. Doing Santa scary pay. Kitty shark is happy now. No more fear, just fun tonight. Bubble, bubble, okay. Something strange is starting play. Kitty egg is happy now. Booty shark is happy now. Bubble princess, wow, wow, wow. So wow, wow, wow.
So much fun. Woohoo!
Oh no, no, baby shark is sick today. Dr. Kitty's on the way. Check, check, check. What should we do? Dr. Kitty will help you. Meow, meow, don't you cry. Dr. Kitty standing by. Baby shark wakes up so slow. Tiny sneeze, achoo. Tummy hurts and head feels hot. Feeling happy, maybe not. Oh no, no, what's wrong today? Dr. Kitty's on the way. Check, check, check. Runs in fast. How with the doctor bag at last. Heartbeat check. Boom, boom, boom. Kitty says you'll feel good soon.
1, 2, 3.
Check, check, check. 1, 2, 3. Dr. Kitty helps with me.
Try this
Baby shark says achoo, achoo. Ritty laughs, bless you too. Medicine taste, yucky, yup. Baby shark says, oh no, yuck. Sip, 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 drink it up. Soon you'll jump and splash and hop. Kitty puts ice on shark's head. Time for rest in your warm bed. Baby shark takes little nap, or then wakes up and starts to clap. Yay, 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 feeling rake. Dr. Kitty saved Daddy. Baby shark jumps in the sea, healthy, happy as can be. Dancing, splashing all around. Happy Sharky makes this sound.